just arrived in Dubai. Fortunately, our layover is only like what, maybe 2 hours, an hour and a half or so. So we are leaving at 11 p.m. Dubai time, which is what, 10 p.m. South African time. So yeah, we're ready. We had an excellent flight. Emirates, I can just never get enough of Emirates. Emirates, you are everything, and we absolutely love you, and the service there is incredible. I'm just not sure that any other flight is as excellent as Emirates is, but yeah, so Dubai, we're here. We landed safely, and we're looking forward to the takeoff that is gonna take us to Phuket. So I'm sitting here with my sister. Hi. And we're waiting to connect, and we cannot wait to arrive in Thailand. Exhausted. I just want to sleep. Check-in time is at 2 p.m. for most of the hotels here in Thailand. I mean, it's now, I think, about 10:30 Thailand time. So we have to wait a few hours before we can actually check into our room. But at least they give us club rooms to wait in the meantime, while we wait for the rooms to be cleared and cleaned. So I'm literally just gonna take a nice nap, and by the time I wake up, I'm sure it will be time to move into our actual room. So I'm gonna enjoy sleeping here in the club room and just resting. It's been a very, very long flight, but yeah, it's good to be in Phuket. We're happy that we're here now. It's been a wonderful trip so far, absolutely amazing. Our flight was fantastic. The reception here in Thailand has been amazing. So now we just wait for our room and rest in the meantime.
That I'm right now Phuketing. It's the greatest feeling
Of all time, right?
of all time.
So we're gonna shower, get a bit of rest. It's been a very long trip, and then probably walk across to the beach, and we'll sort of start the proper activities tomorrow. This is the room at Andaman. This is a cute little basket by the entrance with obviously like two like poolside towels or like beach towels, because we're like across the road from the beach. This is the bathroom. It's so cute, it's so clean. There's like a shower, and there's like a bathtub with like a handheld shower head. And then these are the beds, which is wonderful. And we have a little TV screen, obviously like a little mini bar. I think there's stuff in here as well. Let's see. Okay. Right, okay. Familiar looking drinks. What a relief. Oh, nice. Some chocolate as well. How wonderful. And this is the balcony area, which obviously has a view to the ocean. Hi, Bex.
Hello, babes.
There's the poolside view. People are sort of just chilling, have a beautiful day, and it's very hot here today. It's like extremely hot. It's very humid in Thailand. So we're gonna shower now, and it's been a very long trip. It's time to shower, get a bit of rest, and then walk across to the beach. So this is the closet space. Let's just see what they have inside. Oh, okay. Excellent. There's some robes here. Oh my gosh, and 2 umbrellas as well. So there's 2 umbrellas, there's 2 robes, and there's even 2 flip-flops. How cute is that?
This is a whole mood. We're just looking for some champers. Andy, what are we looking for?
We're looking for some bubbly.
Okay. Let's see what they have.
Well, in our bikini.
Yes, yes.
In Thailand, they don't care what you're wearing. You walk into a shop with your
Okay, take whatever you want. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 5, 4, 3, 2, go.
hotel room, and this is where we're gonna close off the vlog for day 1. It's been a very eventful day, but we'll pick up again with tomorrow's activities. So good night.